How to redeem Free Fire code. To redeem a Free Fire code and receive rewards, first open up a web browser, go to the search box at the top and type in reward.ff.garena.com and press enter. Doing this will take you to this rewards redemption site. You'll first need to log into your Garena account by selecting one of these options at the top. Select one of the options from the display and then enter your redemption code, which is usually 12 to 16 characters long. After you are logged in using your phone, email, or your password, you'll be able to redeem your code. Into the rewards redemption site text box, enter the code and click on confirm in order to redeem a Free Fire code. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.